Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you're signed into the account that controls device settings. Once signed in, click the clock area at bottom right and choose the gear icon to open settings. Make sure your Chromebook is on and awake. If not, press the power button briefly. You need the security and privacy section visible. That's where lock behavior lives. Once done, scroll or search for lock screen so you can change the options step by step. Now you'll navigate directly to security and privacy and tap screen lock or lock screen settings. You may see an option labeled auto lock or require password when waking. Toggle it off or set it to never. If Chrome OS asks, enter your account password or PIN to confirm the change. This prevents unauthorized changes. Make sure to read the label. Some versions separate lock on lid close versus wake, so change each relevant toggle. Once changed, finish by testing. Close the lid or put the Chromebook to sleep, then wake it to confirm no lock prompt appears. If you still see a lock screen, make sure the device isn't managed by an organization. Managed policies override local settings and appear under People or About. As a quick fix, reboot the Chromebook and reopen settings to verify the toggles persisted. If problems continue, contact the device administrator or support. They can remove enforced policies, preventing changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.